Okay guys, this is question 2. The question says, which of the following are correctly matching bases found in a DNA strand? Alright, so for this question, I put 2 images up here from the cheat sheet. The first one's our phrase, apples in the tree, cars in the garage. I know I try to tell my kids that this is supposed to help us remember that the base A pairs with T, and T pairs with A always. A stands for adenine. Alright, and T stands for thymine. And then you have cars in the garage, okay? So it's supposed to help you remember that C pairs with G and G pairs with C always. And then I put the other image here because you actually have a picture of an apple tree here. So this is our apple tree right here. And then you have a picture of cars in a garage if you're more visual. So apple tree, A pairs with T. T pairs with A, and then car in the garage, C pairs with G, G pairs with C always. So when we're looking at our base pairs, you just have to find the ones that match what we just said looking at that phrase. So A and G do not go together. Remember, A pairs with T, or adenine and guanine. B says cytosine and thymine. Remember, cytosine pairs with G or guanine. C, guanine and adenine. Well, G and C always pair up. Last choices are adenine and thymine. Remember, A and T go together. Sounds like a match. Our best answer choice for 2 is D.